And so Philip Rivers recognizes if I know that I got three single safety, I'm going to take advantage of that. He gets a nice little wheel bird, comes back and makes a nice completion. But a guy, an accomplished quarterback like Philip Rivers is going to tear apart the single safety defense.
Happy to have a guy like that back that helps you again. Antonio Gates.
Five-time Pro Bowler, first thing you say later. And this is the big fella, Brandon Manuel. And not much better this time. Tyvon Branch sniffing it out.
That's a 205-pounder tackling a 300-pounder.